At 6:30, let's take a look back at what's making news headlines this morning. The family of Minister in the Presidency, Jackson Mthembu, has described him as a pillar of strength. Mthembu died on Thursday from a COVID-19 related complication. A memorial service will be held at the Government Communication and Information System Auditorium in Hatfield, Pretoria this afternoon. He will then be buried in his hometown of Emalahleni in Mpumalanga tomorrow during an official funeral Category 1. President Cyril Ramaphosa has ordered that the national flag be flown at half-mast at every flag station in the country from this morning until tomorrow. 11,761 new positive coronavirus cases have been registered in South Africa. This brings the cumulative number of cases since the pandemic began to 1,392,568. The number of fatalities has risen by 575, bringing the overall number of deaths to 40,076. According to the Department of Health, there's been a decline in the number of overall transmissions. The positivity rate has decreased from 36% during this wave to 19%. Over 1.2 million people have recovered from the infection. This translates to a recovery rate of 86%. And in sport, advocate Tebogo Motlanthe has been appointed as Chief Executive of the South African Football Association. Motlante's 5-year contract comes into effect today after he acted in that position since last year. The 39-year-old Motlanthe becomes the youngest ever CEO of SAFA since the establishment of the country's football governing body in 1991. And those were your headlines. More news in detail coming up at 7 o'clock. But for now, let's take a quick break. We'll be back in a flash.